In this question, we are going to integrate the expression 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 4 using a process called substitution. Substitution method is where we choose a variable that is simple to integrate and replace a complex variable that is harder or maybe challenging to integrate directly. So instead of integrating this 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 4 directly, we choose a substitution variable. Let's call it u. So we can let the variable u be 2x plus 3. So our 2x plus 3 is now u. Now we use u to integrate instead of 2x plus 3. So the first step is, after letting u to be 2x plus 3, we differentiate u in terms of x. So we find du over dx, which means we differentiate this expression. Differentiating this expression will give us 2. So 2x plus 3, if you differentiate, the answer will be 2. The second step is find dx. We need to find what dx is. If you look at this, 2 is the same as 2 over 1. If we do cross multiplication, we're going to get du equals to 2 dx. So for us to get dx, then we can divide both sides by 2. Therefore, our dx will be du over 2. Now, we are going to do two substitution. One, we go back to our initial expression, replace 2x plus 3 with u, and also replace dx with du over 2. So we are going to have the integral of u, instead of 2x plus 3, we're going to write u, raised to the power of 4. And instead of dx, we're going to write du over 2. Before we proceed with our integration, we're going to do some simplification. Du over 2 is the same as a half du. So we factor out a half outside. Therefore, we'll have a half multiplied by the integral of u raised to the power of 4 du. At this juncture, we are integrating the expression u raised to the power of 4 with respect to u. So we will have integrating u raised to the power of 4 will be a half multiplied by u. 4, we increase the power by 1 and then divide the overall power by u, which is 4 plus 1, and then add the constant c. C is the constant of integration. So we'll have a half multiplied by u raised to the power of 5 divided by 5 plus c. Now, most of you think that we are through with the integration, but we are not yet through. We will go back to where we started, where we said u is the same as 2x plus 3. So we are going to remove u now and replace with our original expression 2x plus 3. So we will have a half multiplied by 2x plus 3 raised to the power of 5 divided by 5 plus c. And that should be the final expression or answer to the question.